All right, so you're getting the kids ready in the morning. That was me. But then you get to lunch.
If you're struggling to find something worth of substance each day, our next guest is going to help you pass the grade when it comes to lunches.
Yes, our friend, cookbook author Courtney Hill. She is back sharing some ideas with us. Good morning.
Good morning, Courtney.
Good morning. Glad to be back.
Yes. Okay, so I feel like you're speaking to me, Courtney, because we could slap together a sandwich really fast, right?
Yes.
But what are your ideas in making lunch like stand out?
Well, okay, school lunches, sandwiches.
Yeah,
And it can get to be too much. But, if you just change up a little bit, like changing the bread, that can really make a difference.
Oh.
So, maybe change the bread one day, change the meat, change the mustard, something like that. But so they have a lot of bread options out there now. They have these little mini bagels.
Cute.
And they have these bagel thins and little sliders.
Fun.
And I did want to show you one quick tip for putting cheese on a slider.
Yeah,
That doesn't fit, and if you cut it in half. Oh, sorry. So if you cut it diagonally and then cut it diagonally again, it fits perfectly.
That is awesome.
On your slider.
It fits perfectly, and you don't waste it. All the cheese I throw away?
I know. There you go.
Yeah.
And another way to reinvent the sandwich is these roll-ups. So you can just do regular turkey and cheese
I might
or
need to
ham
start
and
doing those
cheese.
for myself.
Yeah, they're great. And it's just a little bit different than your regular sandwich bread.
Right, right.
And you can do lots of different flavors. So I have pizza here. And I did a little Mediterranean. There's salami, hummus, feta cheese in there. Oh yeah, please take one. And then over there is like a Southwestern. So there's refried beans. I put a taco seasoning sour cream thing on it, and then there's avocado and cheese, and then you can dip it in salsa. Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
This is so good.
That's neat.
And all of these things, can be kept at room temperature. For for the day.
Okay.
Got pasta over there.
Yes. Another thing that just totally abandons the sandwich is a pasta salad. That has lots of veggies. I put in some pepperonis, so that's got some meat, and then you've got your grain, which is the noodles.
Yeah.
And then, so they make these awesome things that you can use for little dips if you're having trouble getting your kids to eat veggies and fruit.
True.
You can send a little thing of ranch or hummus or whatever they like to dip their veggies in. And then fruit, my favorite fruit dip ever is just cream cheese and marshmallow fluff mixed together.
Oh, okay.
And it goes really good with any type of fruit. So I don't know if you guys want to try it. I have it here for you.
Oh, here.
All
Try
right.
it with like a grape or something if you want.
I'm already munching on.
Let's see here.
Let's see. Marshmallow
fluff.
That's actually really
and cream
good.
cheese. Super easy. And it's a great way to get them to eat their fruit. And, adds a little sweetness.
No, this is good.
That is good.
I like that. And something else that I've noticed, you have really cute shapes. You have the stars, you have the circles.
Homemade Lunchable is another great way to save some money. And then also, they only come in
Tony,
like
cut a
circles and
star.
stuff.
All right.
So you cut them in different shapes, and it's really fun. You can use lots of different meats for that. Another way to reinvent your peanut butter and jelly is these cute little Uncrustable type things I got online. They have lots of different fun shapes. But I find it best to cut the bread out first.
Oh, I can do this too.
With this one, sorry. With this one.
Here.
Then you put on your peanut butter and jelly. And another great way is to change up the jelly. So here I have peach jelly.
Okay.
Peach jam. Strawberry jam. This is the blackberry blueberry jam that I made. That can really upgrade the PB&J.
Yeah.
And then you just take the other part and you smash it down. And it kind of seals it for you.
Oh, kind of like a Crustable.
Just like that one. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to push down really hard.
That bread's been sitting out for a while.
Oh, there you go.
Here
There
you
you go.
Okay, I got it.
Teamwork.
And so when you're packing your kids' lunch, if you don't have any ice packs, you can freeze these little yogurts. And then you put it in there as an ice pack, and then by lunchtime it's thawed, and they can eat it.
Great
That's a great idea.
Because I did have to go out and buy a new ice pack for his lunchbox.
This lunchbox that my kids have is an ice pack, so you just put this in the freezer, which is nice.
Okay.
Another great way to save some money is to buy the big bag of chips and individually pack them in these little snack sizes.
I absolutely do that for sure.
And I don't know about you, but those variety bags of chips, there's always one or two that the
they
kids
don't
won't
like,
eat,
that they
and
don't
it's
like.
just there forever. So you buy the big bag of the ones that they like and put them in these little things. And I just put them in these as soon as I bring them home. That way, they're just all
already
in a cupboard.
done. Yeah.
Right. You don't have to worry about it.
Courtney,
All about
thank you
planning.
so much.
Yes.
This is the best.